So I think about this drain here, boy.
That part there, that walking.
Oh, for real?
Yes.
That's why I come in and highlight the scene.
What I'm doing the train over here.
You tell me.
Huh?
You tell me. I didn't say nothing wrong with the drain over here.
What do you think about the train over here?
I come in and take video of the drain over here, boss. Right, so you can say, you want to say that on camera? Yeah. So this is basically where the problem starts. Yeah. So to who this may concern, please, you know, don't forsake us. Don't forsake the people of the world.
People them real fuck.
A house man there? That's
House
up.
contractor, house here is built. You ever been in a drain and road all day?
That's shit.
Fucking, you don't see the condition of here. They're supposed to do that since last year they built that and bring up that let us stay 21 days down in CCC or wherever and then bring it up on a trailer, cut the road the same day and put that down. This thing will come and mama guy themselves and do this nasty thing inside of the road. But that make no sense. Man.
And it look like you just do a half a walk.
Here, no safety, nothing. People have to walk around like if you're falling, that you're fucking done.
Big stone blocking the drain, all kind of thing. And the mango season.
And that drain deep, that drain is about 4 feet fucking deep.
You check? So guys, I'm just doing this little video for all you, highlighting the condition of my, you know, community. Basically right in front of my doorstep. This is what's going on. Just sometimes when it's really bad, I can't even walk here. I have to walk through here because it's so messy. You don't want no kind of water splashing up in. This is where we are in terms of the progress fixing the drain. I think they make this thing here. These things are supposed to be for drains, like new drains they're trying to build, big and serious. But as you can see, it's not even completed. It's just on a standstill right now. I look a youth man. I look a youth man. Man. Real. Chat. This is the worst. It's been real. All up this way. Alright, nothing wrong with the drain. It's only when you come here, the water settles till all up to this. So this is basically where the problem starts. I'll get our last piece over there. Press, what do you think about this drain here, boy? Last piece over there. Press, what do you think about this drain here, boy?
That part there, that walking.
Yeah, but it looks like he blocked somewhere in the middle. Oh, for real?
Yes, yeah, that big hole there.
What? I don't see this drain block.
That thing block, you have a big stone in that day.
Yeah, that's why I come in and highlight the scene. So you can say what you want because
What I'm doing the train over here.
you tell me.
Huh?
You tell me. I didn't say nothing wrong with the drain over here.
What do you think about the train over here?
I come in and take video of the drain over here, boss. Right, so you can say you want to say it on camera? You want to say it on camera?
Look all the
You want to say it on camera?
Listen to me.
It's a video I'm making.
Look all the video over there.
It's a video I'm making. You want to be on camera? So let's see. Hopefully somebody sees this. Share this to the government of Grenada, the ministers belonging to this, you know, this parish or this part of Grenada. And then we're seeing here another piece of construction going on for the drain, which is just left incompleted. We need help. We need help, guys. We need help. We need this drain fixed ASAP. Recently we just had cricket, and I didn't think it was a pleasant experience for some people who wanted to like spend time in the community, you know, in liquor shops. You had some people by this bar here, the palm tree bar, but the scent is really strong and it probably wasn't comfortable for them either. So this is the condition. This is how we are right now here in the River Road. This is the river. Alright. We're asking the people responsible to, you know, to at least put some haste to this construction project, because the people of River Road is really suffering from the scent of the drain. The vehicles can't really pass when it's flooded, when the rain fall. It's extra wet, it's extra flowing of the dirty water, so then the vehicle can't move how they had to move, especially when you have traffic. They don't want to spray up this dirty water on people and cause problems. So they're asking the people to lend a helping hand, quickly, quietly and effortlessly, for the people of River Road, especially the lower, close to the cemetery area. Big and serious. We need help. Big and serious. Thank you. Yeah. So, to who this may concern, please, you know, don't forsake us. Don't forsake the people of River Road. Don't turn your back on us. You know what I mean? We need help, seriously. So, if you all enjoy this content, please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and see you all in the next one. Peace and love. Take care. Hey, love. Repping the Greens family. If y'all like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and follow me everywhere on every social media platform. Thank you.